Hello, I'm back with another tool tip for you, and this one is a free mockup generation mockup edit tool. And yeah, it's completely free, which is what is so crazy about it because it has such great functionality. I just discovered it yesterday and I love it. So you can choose the device you want the mockup to be, like the frame you want it to be. For example, you can choose screenshot, you can choose browser tab, you can choose phone. I mean, obviously you would need to upload a phone screenshot or something in the proper size here to use the phone layout. You can use iPad Pro, or also need to adjust the image then, or laptop. This is a laptop screenshot, so this fits quite well. There are different types of MacBooks you can try, even iMac 24, for example. Let's take that one. We can change the frame, the color of the iMac. We can change the position of the mockup on the page. We can change the size of the frame. For example, for Instagram portrait post, you can do this. For story, you can do this. And for square post, you can do this. Or for a cover, something like this. For Twitter, a lot of options, and you can even set your own dimensions, which is really cool. You can increase the noise in the back of the background. You can, to be honest, I don't know what this is. Transparent background, or add an image as a background. Also really cool and customizable. You can add some background colors that they are suggesting you to use. That basically they look at the screenshot and analyze the colors and then suggest some complementary colors. And solid colors, gradients. I love these gradients, which are cosmic gradients. They look just so cool. Like let's try this one. Pretty nice. Abstract, radiant gradients. I really like this tool, and I'm surprised that it exists. I don't know, I always find cool tools and I'm like, wow, I wish I had known this before, that this is a website that is out there. Yeah, it suggests different angles you can use, but you can also scale the image or change the position or change the X and Y axis yourself. For example, like this. Is it centered? Like this. But let me just choose the center. Yeah, and that's basically it. You can download this as a PNG, or change the frame, change the background, change the image. I like this browser tab option as well. For screenshots, you can just do something like this, which already elevates them a lot. With your branded background, it just looks very neat and cool. You can add a URL to the address bar. I mean, what else would you want? This is just a crazy tool, and I hope you enjoy using it. So let me know what you think, and chat soon. Bye.